Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have one unboxing and I have one that I've already unboxed a few days ago. I just couldn't resist. So yeah, I picked up a couple more things that I was interested in and I'm so happy I got them. So this first one is the Dooney and Bourke Florentine Twist Strap Hobo. And it's called that because it has a little twist right here, little braided handles here, which is really cute. And this is in the color denim. And this has been on the website, kind of recently, and it's been on sale, so I thought I'd pick it up. So yeah, so it's pretty large. It's kind of like a medium-sized bag. When you open it up, you have the standard Dooney and Bourke green suede on the inside. That way it allows it to drape like this, to do the smile as they call it. You have one back zip pocket, one slip pocket, and two slip pockets in the front here, like so. Sorry it's a little bit dark, I'm sorry. A little bit of shade in here. Yeah, I'm okay. I know I kind of sound funny, when like there's a flaw to a bag, I tend to keep it. But no, it does matter to me, depending on what it is. These have a lot of tiger stripes on it. I don't know if you could see that. There's a lot. There's like one here, one here, one here, one here. And same with the back. And Baghound brought this up in one of her old videos, and she's like, I think I know what that is. She's like, when you bake cookies and you take the cookies out of the oven and you put it directly on a rack without a paper towel on top, that's when the rack creates those indentations into the cookies. So she thinks that's a similar thing here when they're doing the dyeing process and maybe they laid it on something. I don't know. Who knows what that is, but I'm okay with that, you guys, because it's such a dark color. See, when it's such a dark color, you might not notice it, so I'm going to keep that. Yeah, really cute. I love denim. So we have this next one here, and this is like my first box I've gotten that's been beat up, just like what's happening to everybody else. I'm going to cover up my address here, but look, you could tell it's somebody just smashed it right here. And yeah, that was a little crazy. And then before I open this, I haven't taken the bag out yet, but before I opened it, like the top here, this has also been just bam, just smashed in, you can tell. So, but the bag looks okay, so I will show you what that is. Okay. Alrighty. So this is just what I've been always wanting for a while, which is the Dooney and Bourke Florentine Micro Satchel. Rip this off. And it looks brand new, not used. Totally new. Yay! Okay. And it looks like it's in very good shape. Ooh, it's so cute. Okay. I know I have not seen a lot of people on YouTube with these, but there is a handful. But I've always been interested in them. So, yeah, this is the Dooney and Bourke Florentine Micro Satchel. And it's a small bag, so if you're a big bag person, do not buy this bag by any means. But if you can carry very small amount of items, that's this one's better for you. So that would be more towards my end. I like medium to small bags. And here's the back. There's a couple of scratches, but same thing with Dooney and Bourke, you can just rub them out. I always love the smell of them too. So I'm going to keep these on here for now, just for now. Okay, the only downside to these bags with the micro and the nano, I've heard, is the opening. The opening is not very big, so if you have maybe large hands or a large wallet, do not buy this bag. Mainly if you have a large wallet. So, and it looks brand new. Yay! So you got your strap. Strap is, the small side, which I prefer larger, thicker, but oh well. And you have your dust bag. Perfect. Man, they really stuffed this thing. Oh my god. Woo. just want to see the inside so I could show you. A lot of these. Woo! Okay, they sure wasted a lot of money on those. Maybe that's why they did the price increase. I don't know. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, so it is small. So here's my hand. I've got a small hand, or medium-sized hand. But sorry, you guys, that it's so dark in here. I apologize, but I would say this is about 9 or 10 inches across. And right here, so here is the small. So this is the Dooney bourke small Florentine satchel. Oh, I messed those up. Okay, compared to the micro, it's a bit smaller. So I don't know if you can see that. There you go. But yeah, it is a bit smaller. I don't know, probably about 5 inches wide. So you still have your standard Dooney setup, I believe. You have a back zip pocket and no slip. And, oh, yep, you only have one slip pocket in the front. So you only have a slip and a zip. So that's kind of bad. But yeah, just wanted to show you that to you guys. I'm so happy. Maybe I'll do some mod shots later on. My camera's not very good with mod shots, like wide angles, you know, to see what it looks like on me. But yeah, it's very small, but I like that. I like lightweight bags sometimes. Like I said, I got this in the denim one time from QVC, and I really should have kept it, but I returned it because they don't ever have any sales. Well, most of the time. Sometimes they do, but it was just so much money. Even though I did it on Easy Pay, it was the denim. But if it was on sale, maybe I'll get it, but they're rare. But at least I got this in my other denim bag. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.